Hello students, in this video I explain you the next pronoun which is interrogative pronoun which is mostly written at the beginning of the sentences. Interrogative pronoun students वो pronoun होते हैं जिन्हें हम किसी भी sentence के begin में use करते हैं शुरुआत में and these pronouns ask a question. ये जो pronoun होते हैं वो हमसे question पूछते हैं like who, whom, whom, what, which and whose are interrogative pronouns. तो ये सारे शब्द जो होते हैं वो interrogative pronouns होते हैं जिन्हें हम sentence की शुरुआत में पूछते हैं, use करते हैं. Here examples are who ate my porridge? Which dress will you wear? Here you see in both the questions, in both the sentences, there is one question which is asked like who ate my porridge, किसने मेरी porridge खाई. Which dress will you wear, तुम कौन सी dress पहनोगे. Here in exercise first, use interrogative pronoun to complete these sentences. यहाँ पर आपको interrogative pronoun का use करके इन sentences को complete करना है. Like first one is who is at the window, whom is this money box, what do you want to wear, whose clothes are you wearing, who is inside the room, which is your table, what is the matter, who called you here. So students, like that you complete the exercise. The next pronouns are students are reflexive pronoun and it refer back to the subject. ये subject के बाद यूज होते हैं like myself, yourself, themselves, herself and himself are some reflexive pronoun. Examples: I will clean these cobwebs myself. They will decorate their stall themselves. Now in emphatic pronoun are similar to reflexive pronoun. Emphatic pronoun जो होता है वो reflexive pronoun जैसा ही होता है. They put more emphasis on the subject. लेकिन जब इसको यूज करते हैं तो वो subject पे ज्यादा emphasis करता है. Example like I myself cleaned all the cobwebs. They themselves decorated their stall for the carnival. So like that students, the next exercise is rewrite each sentence using the reflexive pronouns emphatically. आपको इन reflexive pronoun वाले sentences को emphatically means like that you have to rewrite it. First sentence, I made the painting myself. So when you make it emphatically, the sentence become I myself made the painting. Second, have you seen a UFO yourself? Sentence become have you yourself seen a UFO? She called me up herself. She herself called me up. We will do it ourselves. We ourselves did it. You asked to do this task yourselves. You yourselves asked to did this task. Now students, in next exercise, fill in the blanks with the correct form of pronoun. Here the pronoun forms are given to you and you choose the correct form and write it here. Like first one is who talked in the class. Second, I saw a bird which was white. Someone's bag is on the floor. You will hurt yourself if you use that sharp knife. She herself said so. We are having a party tomorrow. This frock is mine. What should we do now? Whom are these letters for? So students, like that you have to complete all the exercise. In next exercise, students, rewrite these sentences using pronouns. Dev is at home. Dev is helping his mother. So when we write it by using pronoun, the sentence become Dev is at home. He is helping his mother. So first one is, I went to the shop to get some bananas. I could not get bananas because they been sold. So here bananas, in place of banana we use it. I find archaeology interesting. I want to know more about archaeology. Sentence become, I find archaeology interesting. I want to know more about it. So students, like that you have to use pronoun and rewrite these sentences.